Feeling lost or burnt out? Baka kasi nakakalimutan mo na ang why at purpose mo. Let me share something powerful with you today. Tingnan natin ang pagkakaiba ng why sa purpose. Yung why mo, yan yung personal reason mo kung bakit ka nagsimula. Para sa pamilya mo ba to? Para sa pangarap mo? Yan yung nagpapakilos sa'yo kahit pagod ka na. Pero yung purpose, yan yung mas malawak. It's your mission. It's what you're meant to bring to the world. Your why fuels your heart. Your purpose gives you direction. And when your why is rooted in something deep and meaningful, your purpose becomes clear. Kaya ngayon, pause ka sandali. Tanungin mo ang sarili mo, ano nga ba yung why ko? At kung napapagod ka man at parang gusto nang sumuko, go back to your why. It will keep you strong and resilient. Keep going, stay grounded, kaya mo yan. At isang paalala, smile, life is beautiful.